Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the sound you want to stop so edits don't affect other elements. Open your DAW or video editor and locate the specific audio track. Once found, solo it or mute all others so you hear only that source. Next, arm the track for editing or enable automation lanes. This gives you precise control. While you do this, make sure you save a backup version so you can revert if something goes wrong. You now perform the actual stopping action by choosing automation or an edit. If you need a clean stop, draw automation to reduce the volume to negative infinity at the exact timecode, which prevents pops. For abrupt stops, place a cut and delete or mute the region. Add a 520 ms fade out if it sounds harsh. Once done, scrub the timeline to listen across the cut and adjust fades or crossfades to remove any clicks or you finish by confirming the stop works in context and creating a final render. Bounce a short test segment that includes the stop point and listen on multiple devices. Make sure transitions are smooth. If you hear artifacts, make the fade shorter or slightly longer, or use a spectral editor to remove residual transients. Once satisfied, export the full file and keep the original track backed up. Troubleshooting tip: if clicks remain, try a 515 ms cross.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.